Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. As we all know that to pursue education in any foreign country, you have to give any English proficiency test. Today we talk about IELTS. IELTS is International English Language Testing System. There are two types of IELTS. One is academic and second is journal. If you want to enroll in any university, you have to give a academic IELTS test. If you want to do work, then you have to give a GT test. There are four modules in IELTS. The first is listening, second reading, third writing, and fourth is speaking. Firstly, we talk about listening. There are four sections in listening. 40 questions will be provided to you, including fill-up, map, diagram, and multiple choice questions. Headphone will be provided to you, and you have to listen carefully and write your answer on your answer sheet. Listening lasts for 30 minutes. 10 extra minutes provided to you to transfer your answer to final answer sheet. According to me, it is very important module. Firstly, it is easy, and secondly, it helps you to increase your overall band score. Now we talk about reading. There are three passages in reading. 40 questions will be given to you and you have to find your answer from this passage. The question type will be discussed in next video. 60 minutes will be given to you to solve and answer your question. No extra time will be provided to you to transfer your answer. So you have to utilize your time very carefully. You have to complete your one passage within 60 to 80 minutes. Now we talk about writing. There are two tasks in writing. In academic task 1, any graph will be given to you such as bar graph, pie, line and map and you have to describe in 150 words. In GT task 2, any letter will be given to you. There are two types of letter, formal and informal. In task 2 will be related to any general topic and you have to describe in 250 words. The topic will be related to environment, society, education and crime. Overall 60 minutes will be given to you and you have to spend 20 minutes on task 1 and 40 minutes on task 2. Next we talk about speaking. In speaking, you have face-to-face conversation with the examiner. Speaking is divided into three parts. So in part 1 is the introductory round. The examiner asks you a question about you and a common topic such as hometown, hobby, t-shirt. For instance, he asks you about you liked your coffee, describe your hometown, and you have to explain in 2 to 3 lines. Part 2 is related to cue card. Cue card is a topic and you have 1 minute to prepare it and you have to speak continuously for 2 minutes. In part 3 is a discussion round. Examiner again asks you a question related to the topic but you have to describe it properly. You have to explain the answer in approximately 4 to 5 lines. Thank you.